Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share our thoughts on a versatile kitchen essential that we found online, the Nonstick cookware set that includes 15 pieces to elevate your cooking experience. If you're interested in checking out the latest price and availability, be sure to check the link in the description below. This cookware set is designed to make your meal prep a breeze. It features an impressive collection of pots and pans, including an 8-inch fry pan, a 10-inch fry pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, a 2-quart saucepan with a lid, a 3-quart casserole pan with a lid, a 5-quart casserole pan with a lid, and a 5-piece utensil set. The utensils include a pasta server, soup ladle, slotted turner, serving spoon, and slotted serving spoon, giving you all the tools you need to whip up delicious dishes. One of the standout features of this cookware set is its non-stick coating. This means that food slides off effortlessly, making cooking and cleanup much simpler. Whether you're frying eggs for breakfast or simmering a sauce, you'll appreciate how easily food releases from the surface, no more struggling with stubborn bits sticking to your pans. Additionally, the set is equipped with soft-touch handles that stay cool during cooking. This is particularly useful for those longer cooking sessions when you might find yourself multitasking in the kitchen. You won't have to worry about burning your hands when reaching for the handles, which adds a layer of comfort to your cooking experience. The cookware also boasts a spiral bottom design that promotes uniform heat distribution across all cooktops, with the exception of induction. This feature is particularly important for ensuring that your food cooks evenly, preventing hotspots that can lead to uneven results. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or simmering a stew, you can trust that your cookware will deliver consistent performance. Now, who is this cookware set suitable for? Whether you're a beginner just starting out in the kitchen or an experienced cook looking to refresh your collection, this set is ideal. It's perfect for families who need a reliable set of pots and pans for everyday use, as well as for those who enjoy hosting gatherings and preparing larger meals. Let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're someone who enjoys making hearty meals, the 5-quart casserole pan is perfect for preparing lasagnas or casseroles for family dinners. The 10-inch fry pan is excellent for searing meats or sautéing vegetables, while the saucepans are great for making sauces, boiling pasta, or even cooking grains like rice or quinoa. Additionally, the included utensils make it easy to serve and manage your dishes. The soup ladle is perfect for soups and stews, while the slotted turner is ideal for flipping pancakes or burgers. With this set, you have everything you need to create a wide variety of meals, from simple weeknight dinners to more elaborate weekend feasts. However, it's worth noting that the care instructions specify that this cookware set is designed for hand washing only. While this might seem like a hassle, it's a small trade-off for the longevity and performance of the non-stick coating. Proper care will help ensure that you can enjoy these kitchen essentials for years to come. In summary, the non-stick cookware set is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Its thoughtful design, user-friendly features, and versatile pieces make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a special dinner, this set has you covered.